Alright, so I was just trying to think of a fun way to play this song. Some of these songs don't translate to guitar all that well, but I thought this was kind of a fun way to try it. So you're just going to start with a capo on first fret. That'll keep you in tune with the song, just standard tuning. And then you're going to start with a pluck on the D string. Alright, now this is kind of difficult. You've got to go. Now, if you're probably not fast enough to do that with all down plucks, you got to do some up plucks as well. So I'm just going down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. All right. So after you do that, and I'm also doing a little palm muting, so just karate chop by the bridge up here and get that muted sound as opposed to just open D. So you're going to do the riff once. Then you're going to set your middle finger down here, second fret of G. And you're going to do it for both strings. All right, the D and the G. Then you're going to set your ring finger down here on third fret of the B. And then let G open now. So now you're doing D, G, and B. All right, so we've got then for the very last chord, it's just a simple D power chord. So you set your middle finger back down, second fret of G, and leave that ring finger down where it was on third fret of the B. And you just pluck, or you strum the D through the B. All right, so you got. All right, then you get into the little horn riff. So for the horn riff, I was playing. All right, so you're gonna bring your ring finger up here to fifth fret of the high E. You pluck there, index finger, third fret of high E. Then you gotta slide down real quick to first fret of high E. So you've got, then you've got, so what that is, I just set ring finger down, third fret of high E, index finger, first fret of high E, then open E. So you got, then the last part. So that's just first fret of high E, open E, ring finger comes down here to third fret of B. So then you do a little walk up. So that's just ring finger, third fret of B, open E, first fret of E. And then the riff repeats. And then you can play that as many times as you want. I think that riff repeats a lot. But I was thinking some chords would be in line, maybe sound a little better for parts of the song. So that's what I was playing. So I'm doing a G minor 7 shape. So index finger sets down on third fret of low E, middle finger third fret of D, ring finger third fret of G, and pinky third fret of B. And you kind of mute out the A and high E a little bit if you can. So when you strum it, you get a very jazzy sounding chord. And the strum pattern I'm using is down, up, and then a chuck. So what that is, you strum down, you strum up, and then when you come down, you set your hand sideways on the strings and you rake the pick really quickly across the strings. So you've got, then you're going to go to an A7 chord and do the same thing, same strum pattern. So for A7, you set your middle finger second fret of D, ring finger second fret of B. Same exact thing, down, up, and then your chuck. So you've got, note for that last part is a D minor chord. Index finger first fret of high E, middle finger second fret of G, ring finger third fret of B. And you're gonna strum down, down, up, down, 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 up. I think that's a good one anyways. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So all together. So hopefully that helps you get a good start on this song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.